Hi, my name is Scott Benson and my company is Renew Local. It was started in January of 2018. I just want to take a few minutes and kind of give you an update exactly where we're at with the company and what our future is going forward. My vision was to help people who couldn't afford to buy new furniture and other household items to connect them with people who had nice, valuable product that was gently used and to connect these buyers and sellers. I think part of this, my passion for this was because I remember being a young married guy when I had a house that was empty and I couldn't afford furniture. And I knew what it was nice to get in contact with people who had this kind of material. So the way I did it was I contacted a furniture restoration company who often had leftover furniture and made a deal with them that I would sell it on a consignment basis and pay them some amount of the proceeds after I sell it. Another thing is I asked other people. You'd be surprised how many people have things just laying around that they, would love to get rid of. They have a hard time throwing it away, but if you could make $10 on it, they'd be happy to give it to me. Another way is scavenging. You'd be surprised what you can find if you just keep your eyes open that has value to someone else if you can get it to them. For my marketing plan, I used the application OfferUp. It's basically you post it online through an app. People search, contact you, and you meet up to make the transaction. It basically works with local areas, so you're usually close to all the buyers. The other option that I've been exploring is Facebook. Also has a very similar option for local selling. This was my first product. I got this from my in-laws for free. It was a toilet, American Standard toilet you just had kicking around the house. So I posted this. I didn't get too many hits at first, and I found out my wife has a friend who sells other things on OfferUp. So I asked his advice, and he became my mentor. It became very, very helpful to help getting this going. He said you have to repost it every couple of days, and that keeps it moving to the top of the list. So I reposted it a couple times. Finally got some hits. Sold this for $20. I found that there's actually a big market for used toilets. If I could find more, I could probably sell all I could find for $20. So I got my eyes out. This is my next sale. It was a replica antique desk. I got this from the Furniture Restoration Company. My first photo was just the desk, and it wasn't really getting very many hits. So I once again contacted my mentor. He says, you got to make it look nice. So my wife put this together with the flowers and the photo and all that. And it wasn't long after that I got the hit. Sold this for $30. And I paid the restoration company $10. So we had $20 net profit on that. Here's my my dining table that I have in inventory right now, and I'm marketing. Not getting hits on this as much as I'd hoped. I once again contacted the mentor. He says it could be because I've got the leaves in my photo. I need to take the leaves out, get a smaller photo. I need to keep pushing it, reposting it to keep it on top. And he says my price is a little bit high, and dark woods are not selling as well as light woods right now. So I got to keep pushing this. I'm just running out of time. I've got it in my inventory, but I'm sure I can move it. Here's my financial statements. You can see my sales revenue, my cost of goods, and bottom line, my net income currently is $40. Here's my balance sheet. I'm showing the mahogany table at a value of $50 in my inventory. That's what the proceeds or what I got to pay the furniture restoration company when I sell it. Whatever is beyond that would be my profit on that. Where do we go from here? My biggest limiting factor right now actually is time. With work and school. So I'm actually looking forward to possibly in the summer restarting this little business and see what I can do. I need to acquire new sources of product. That's kind of another limiting factor. You got to have it to sell it. The marketing is easy. That just takes a few photos and posting it and waiting for the offers to come in and then picking a time to meeting up. I'm thinking that you could expand the product line. I got to look for other things I can get at a very economical price that has value that people want. And additional sales channels. I'm finding OfferUp is good for the high end, but Facebook I've heard is a little bit lower end. So if I've got some products that maybe a little more discount bargain, I can post them on Facebook. So that's where we are. I think this company has legs. I think I can make this grow. I just need some time to work on it. I'm grateful to have the opportunity to do this assignment. I don't need any investors because it takes zero cash. I don't output any cash until the product's sold. So I'm looking forward to seeing what I can do with it. Thank you.